Okay, the next part of percentages we're going to look at then is percentage profit and loss. If you want to calculate a percentage profit or loss, you do the actual profit or loss over the original value, which is the price it started at, and then same as changing a fraction into a percentage any other way, top number divided by bottom number, times it by 100 to get it into a percentage. Okay, first one then. Shopkeeper buys a bike at £81 and sells it for £148. Calculate the percentage profit. First thing we need to find then is the actual profit. To find the actual profit, 148 take away 81. Which is £67. The percentage profit, we do the actual profit that we just calculated divided by the original price. The original price is 81, times it by 100. 67 divided by 81 times 100, which is 82.7%. Next question, number 2, Mr. Anderson buys a car for £8,239. He sells it 3 years later, £5,211. Calculate the percentage loss. Again, first thing we want to do, calculate the actual loss. So 8,239 take away 5,211 is 3,028. Percentage loss then, we do the actual loss divided by the original amount. The original amount is 8,239, times it by 100 to get it into a percentage. Which is 36.8% to one decimal place. Okay, I'll leave you to try questions like this.